Hi, welcome to the Success Seeds. Once upon a time, in a vast and dry desert, there was a tiny drop of water. This little drop of water was no different from any other drop of water, but it had a strong will to make a difference. The drop of water dreamed of creating a lush garden in the middle of the desert, where animals could drink and live, and travelers could rest and find shelter. However, the drop of water knew that it was just a tiny droplet in the vast desert, and its dream seemed impossible. Days and nights passed, and the drop of water was evaporated by the scorching sun. But the little droplet never gave up. It believed that it had a purpose, and it was determined to fulfill it. One day, the drop of water met a wise old tree. The tree had survived the harsh conditions of the desert for centuries, and it had deep roots that reached the water table beneath the sand. The little drop of water asked the tree how it had managed to survive and thrive in such a hostile environment. The tree replied, "I have learned to conserve my resources and make the most of every drop of water that comes my way. I also share my resources with other plants and animals, and together, we create an oasis in the desert." The drop of water was inspired by the tree's wisdom and decided to follow its example. The drop of water started to flow towards the tree's roots, and as it reached the water table, it felt a surge of energy. The little droplet joined forces with the tree and the other plants around it, and together, they created a small oasis in the middle of the desert. The animals came from far and wide to drink from the oasis, and the travelers found shade and shelter under the trees. The drop of water had fulfilled its dream, and it felt a sense of pride and accomplishment. The little droplet had learned that even the smallest things could make a big difference if they had a purpose and were determined to fulfill it. The drop of water had also learned the value of conserving resources and sharing them with others, and it had discovered the power of teamwork. From that day on, the drop of water continued to flow towards the oasis, nourishing the plants and animals, and inspiring others to make a difference in their own way. The little droplet had become a symbol of hope and inspiration in the harsh and unforgiving desert, and its story had become a legend that was passed down from generation to generation. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe.